Hello viewers, welcome to Soy's Kitchen. Today we are gonna make the crunchy snack and everyone's favorite French fries. To make French fries, I'm taking 4 large potatoes. Just peel off the skin. And soak it in the water. Repeat the same for the other potatoes. Once they are peeled off, we can cut the potatoes. So first I'm taking a potato and I'm just cutting the edges. We are cutting the edges because we need to get the even sized fries. And next cut the potatoes into half and then cut them almost 1 centimeter size. Try to cut the potatoes equally so that we get the French fries in equal size and shape. So repeat the same. This should be the size of the chopped potato. Once they're chopped well, put them in the water for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now all the potatoes are chopped well. So in a bowl, add some water and add a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Wash the chopped potatoes nicely. And transfer them to the another bowl. Now let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Once they are done, we need to dry the potatoes, so take a kitchen towel and pat dry the potatoes. Make sure you have dried the potatoes well. Once the potatoes are pat dried, in a kadai, add the required amount of oil for frying. And now we can add the pat dried potatoes. This step is to blanch the potatoes, so oil blanch them for about 5 to 6 minutes at low flame. Once the potatoes are blanched well, transfer them to a kitchen towel or a tissue paper and let them dry. Repeat the same for the other chopped pieces. Meanwhile, I'm just transferring some of the blanched potatoes into an airtight container to store in a refrigerator, and so I can use it for the next day. And remaining potatoes, I'm just frying it now. So take a kadai and add the required amount of oil, and we can add the blanched potatoes and deep fry them for about 10 minutes at low flame. So basically the first oil blanching, till that we have so many other steps to do. So if we are done with the oil blanching, the next step is to finally fry the potatoes. So it's easy for us. Try to store the blanched potatoes in refrigerator so that you can use it for the other days also. So once they are blanched well, we need to store it in the refrigerator, and the next day you can take it and directly fry them. So now the fries have been turned to a good golden brown color. So I'm just transferring to a plate which has mayo and ketchup. So there we go, the crispy and crunchy French fries are ready to serve. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe. Also click the bell icon and get further notifications from Zoe's Kitchen. Thank you.